What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. Sorry I'm talking funny, I'll do anyways, but I got dentist stuff going on, it's numb. But anyways, for the first gadget I got right here, Sprayer Go. Check this out. So it's a water sprayer and it sprays like that, rechargeable right here, waterproof looks like. So all it is shoots and right here opens up and we refill it. How easy is that? All the way to the top, nice. Takes a lot, lock it back up, doesn't spill. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see if it, oh yeah, it shoots pretty good, almost across the pool. I like it, super small, super lightweight, maybe having 2 of them, I might get another one. And then just open it and refill it. Got right here really cool camping stove, or I would say base camp stove. Gotta split some candle in, get a cheap hatchet. That's one way to do it. Rocket stove. Put this in for the ash, put the rock in. And then we're going to put twigs like this. Got my fire starting matches, so put it in there. And right away, the flames from the top, the smoke from the top, the oxygen coming from the bottom. 502 kerosene or white gas stove. So open this up, refill it, or it's already filled up. I'm gonna get a little bit over here into the cup and I'm gonna drop it into the top right there. Then I gotta untwist it to open it and I'm going to do 30 pumps. Oh, this side here needs to be like this. And there's a hole, you gotta close off the hole with your finger. Okay, 30. Okay, then close it, light it. There you go. And it's burning, and then we're going to adjust it up or down. You see how it's going to pressurize it? Right now the gas burning that I pour on top of it, and once it's pressurized, that little tube, it's going to burn much more efficient. Look at that beautiful flame. I was kind of shut off a little bit, but you see I can turn it off or on. And turn it off all the way, just spin this off and spin this off and it's all done. Check out this one log campfire. So you get the dried out log. You can be bigger, could be smaller, but this is a good size to bring it with you and it will last a while. The oxygen will go through there and it will have this sideways fire. Super cool. Alright, it's burning out, staying consistent, flaming from all the way around. That's about the flame we're going to get. In the daytime it's kind of harder to see, but it is pretty big. Next level camping stuff. Check this out. So you grab butane and then put it through and lock it in like this, and then it will slide in here. Then there's a starter and we have a really good flame, and then I can put this over and we can put pot of water easily on top of it, so, or even smaller pot, so it's not gonna fall over. So this is perfect. And I can turn it up really high and really boil water fast. Check this out, really powerful. And when it cools off, put this away, detach this, stick it in here, lock it up and put it all away, ready to go. Very cool. Baby food cup with a spoon. I needed this about 3 kids ago. Alright, let's try it. Easy to refill, trying it with something thick like this. Alright, easy to close. Okay, will it come out by itself? No, so easy to travel with. Get smooshed, obviously it's not going to be happening that violently, but test is successful. So open this and now push it down, and what? Wow, this is so much easier. So we have a scoop right here, and then again push it forward, we have a scoop, push it forward, we have another scoop. This is just too easy. I can't believe it. Totally needed 3 kids ago. I have 1 more on the way, so no problem. Gonna be using this in the future. That is so cool. And once you're done, I don't see any leakage. It stays protected. Super easy to plug it in on and off. Very good idea. Got it here, a little extender for fire starting. It comes with the starter, so you can make it short or you can extend it. There's a second one. So now we have each, and we need one of these canisters. That's it. And this on and on. Wow, that's powerful. Let's make it shorter so that way we can see what's going on. So, turn it on. There you go. And we have right here handheld blowtorch. And we have right here handheld blowtorch. If I can turn it on more, no problem. So we got right here a knife, and there's a little button on this side and this side. Just push on that and it'll close it. Then there's a screwdriver, double-sided, and also the button lock and lock. Comes with this set of different ones. What else? Little tools over here. And what I'm excited about especially is this big scissors. Very nice to have big scissors in a pocket. And this side here, very easy to open it. Bottle opener, press it and close. And on this side, like a little punch with a little hole. Beautiful. Clip, everything we need. Also open this, flick it out, flick it back in. Super nice. Woburn X3 quick unboxing. That's a nice convenient pull tabs right here. So the best way to open this box is slide it in, and it comes with a charger and a charger station like this. Let's see, this way. Boom. And USB-C plug wire right here comes with it. Okay, so this side here is twistable into a flashlight or lantern, and magnetic clip onto a backpack strap or onto the cap, and it's kind of like a cap light. And turn it on. We have it here 80 lumen display, beautiful light, and then person hold different lumen, 150, 150, double clip 200 lumen, and memory at 1 lumen. Turn it off and on, we'll have a memory. We got right here this lighter, comes with a rechargeable wire, adjustable, and all we have to do is call it fire, and it will light up the fire. And it has right here a refill with the lighter fluid and a rechargeable for this flame. We can just blow it on it and it will get on fire. I need to refill it, it's kind of getting out of gas. Fire! There you go, and there's fire. So cool. Displays how much flame we have left. Yeah, it's almost out, it's barely touching the wick and still lighting up. Yeah, this is fun. Fire! And it lights up. So cool. Boom! Any kind of noise will get it going. Very unique.